Factories use sophisticated operation and machine alarm systems that display a cascade of events to one or more operators. These expensive systems create different levels of alarms, from preventive, warning, and critical alarms. The alarm monitor operator is often overwhelmed by consecutive critical alarms, and therefore alarm notifications sent over two-way radios, overhead paging, or telephones are seriously delayed. The PageRouter software is able to receive thousands of alarms created by existing alarm monitors and transmit only those alarms filtered in PageRouter based on the text of the alarm received. Delivered to PageRouter, text alarms from PLC controllers or alarm monitoring systems already in operation by using a serial RS-232 cable connection to the PageRouter computer. By programming the PageAlarm function, you can trigger transmission of incoming alarms only when there is a match to particular words or characters in the text of each alarm. You can assign one or more recipients for each alarm match. Of course, you can also program PageRouter to send every single alarm to all the alert receivers. We will now proceed to program the PageAlarm function to filter incoming alarms from the PLC controller and transmit them to one or more recipients. We go to Settings and select PageAlarm. PageAlarm has 12 sets, each with 96 filters or parsers. When you click on set 1, for example, you select the serial COM port receiving the text alarm from the PLC controller, in this case COM8. To activate monitoring after programming, check the box Enable Monitoring. You have the option to transmit the date and time stamp appended to each alarm message. When ready, click Save. Click to open set 1 and click on the first alarm. Now click on Edit Parser. The parser allows you to test the alarm programming. The words to match are oven and overheat. PageRouter will select any alarm containing these two words for transmission to selected recipients. Click Add, and from the drop screen select Match. Type the match word. Now you can test, and you can see that the alarm passes the test. Now you can add the second condition. Type the second match word, oven. Click Test. If one of the two words is missing from the alarm, the test doesn't pass. Therefore, the alarm will not be sent. There are other parser programming conditions to manipulate the alarm when matched. For example, you can add one more condition, select indexed remove, indexed replace, or insert. For example, in this case, let's select indexed removed. So we are going to remove the part of the alarm from PCT, which is character position 13. So we program here 13 and up to the end, which is character position 19. So we put here 19, and now we test. And as you can see, that part has been removed. You can add other conditions. For example, you can find match and replace. Match and replace, you can select, for example, when it matches COM 67, to replace that with urgent. And when you test, you can see that that portion of the alarm has been replaced. The parser gives you a complete flexibility to be able to program many conditions and how to manipulate each alarm when it is matched by the primary or the secondary condition. Now that you have programmed the conditions, for example, here you can remove one of the conditions that I was going to add. Once you are happy with the results when you test the alarm, now you just click save. Once it is saved, then you can close the parser, and then you go back again to the PageAlarm number 1 block. Now at this moment you can add to whom you want to send this alarm. We can select here from the user table the people that you want to send it. So let's just drag David, and then we just put it out. And at the same time, we're going to send it to our group Night Shift. And we're going to send it to the people that also supervise the operation. Assigning of the recipients is very simple. You just use drag and drop. After all the selection has been done, you just click save. And now your PageAlarm condition number 1 has been completed.